If you're experiencing pending transfers on Netflix, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause transfer issues. Step 2. Restart your device. Power off your device completely and then turn it back on. This can help refresh the system and resolve any temporary glitches. Step 3. Update the Netflix app. Make sure that you have the latest version of the Netflix app installed. Go to your device's App Store, search for Netflix, and update if necessary. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you're using a mobile device, go to your settings, find the Netflix app, and clear the cache. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the problem. Step 5. Contact Netflix support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Netflix customer support. They can provide specific assistance and help resolve any ongoing issues with your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Netflix. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.